America runs on auto pros, and for 100 years, NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. And at Straightline Auto Repair in Bentonville, Arkansas, sometimes it's about keeping them and their customers on the track.
So Straightline Automotive, we get Straightline because we're a drag racing family. So we drive in a straight line when we go racing.
New owner Doug Bull, son of the company founder Ross Bull, says that a lot has changed since Ross first opened his shop in the 80s.
The original business name was Cars R Us, and that was a long time ago. My dad started the business back in the 80s, and he has always been a car guy. Whether it was drawing them when he was a little kid, all the way up to starting to tinker with them as a young man and into his career. I purchased the company approximately 2 years ago, and we have since added a few positions. We've continued to grow. We've built on that foundation that my dad started with the company, and just continue to look forward to the future and continue to grow as Northwest Arkansas grows.
While Doug and the team love their racing roots, they know that keeping their community on the road and safe is what's most important.
While we do have racing, drag racing is a passion, our background and the backbone of the business is regular automotive repair. We do work on hot rods and even some souped up diesel trucks and things like that, but regular automotive work is our bread and butter. We have a few technicians that specialize in certain things, and that helps us cover our bases for the area of Northwest Arkansas.
And Doug knows that it's his team of highly trained and highly skilled technicians that are ultimately the key to Straightline's longevity and success.
We do have a great set of skilled technicians that we have here at Straightline. Between finding their background and finding what they're good at and what their specialties are and what their training has been a real asset to Straightline.
Doug knows that in today's highly connected world, word of mouth is everything. The team at Straightline go that extra mile to keep their customers happy and their reviews positive.
We strive to get 5-star reviews. We understand how important those can be in the industry these days. We've been able to gain some 5-star reviews, which we appreciate our customers for leaving. And some of the feedback that we've gotten and that we've made our name on is being reasonable with price, communicating with customers, being upfront and honest, and just having an overall good experience, which is what we try to do and provide for every single customer.
And he knows that constant training and growth is the way to keep Straightline on the path to success.
We try to provide opportunities for continued training and opportunities for growth and learning to keep up with the ever-changing automotive industry. We have sent some technicians to classes to help them potentially level up and move forward in their career. We also go to some events together with employees in order to gain different experiences, different motivations, different understanding of new systems, new parts, so that we can keep up with the advancement in the auto industry.
And Straightline's partnership with NAPA provides the foundation Doug needs to stay on top.
As a NAPA Auto Care Center, we do look to source parts from NAPA for a couple of reasons. One is the fact that we can provide a really good nationwide warranty for our customers, whether they're here or whether they might be traveling. And two, the quality is much better than a lot of other options that are out there today.
When Doug reflects on the business that his father started, he sees the importance of his father's legacy of honesty and integrity and knows that it's those qualities that will guide his success for years to come.
He has built this company with a strong reputation of being able to repair vehicles, do it efficiently, cost effectively, and be able to provide a customer service experience that has people continue to come back. And that's something that I also strive to do right now and in the future.